Plans are being made for grief counseling and a possible revision of security measures at the Knibb High School in Trelawney following a deadly altercation between two students this morning. As you'll hear in this report, one student used a knife to stab the other in a dispute over a ring.
It's the worst news any parent can imagine, that their child is dead. But that's just the report that parents of 16-year-old Kamal Hall received on Monday, as the teen was stabbed to death while he was at his school, Knibb High School in Trelawney. The incident happened sometime after 11 a.m. while the students were on lunch break. Head of the Community Safety and Security Branch, Acting Assistant Commissioner of Police, Charmaine Shand, gave an update on initial investigations.
It is reported that both students had a dispute over a ring, during which a knife was used to inflict wounds to the now deceased student. He was taken to the Falmouth Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The accused is now in custody at the Falmouth Police Station.
According to the acting principal, Audrey Steele, Kamal was not a problem student. She says he was the goalkeeper for the school's Da Costa Cup football team. She says the students have been buying and wearing bulky rings, dozens of which school administrators have had to confiscate since the start of the school year. One of these rings was at the center of this morning's dispute.
He decided now to confront the person about the ring, and it seemed as if an altercation ensued, and the student was stabbed.
Chairman of the school board, Reverend Jonathan Hemmings, says the incident has devastated the entire school family, including the parents of both students. But as parents and community members gathered at the Falmouth Hospital, concerns were again raised about security protocols. We put that question to the school representatives.
And it was just this morning that we suspended the students for weapon possession.
And after that incident?
Yes, it happened. But you know, we can't be everywhere because it was just lunchtime. The students started coming out of class. The teachers have not even come out yet. Just lunchtime, because lunchtime is 11 o'clock and it was 11:05.
Having said that though, you would well understand that there's nothing that the school can do to absolutely guarantee against this. The school don't have the kind of resources to put in that kind of security apparatus to prevent something like this from happening.
School was dismissed immediately following the incident. It is understood that the Education Ministry will be sending a counseling team to the institution on Tuesday. Acting Assistant Commissioner Shand says the police will also be sending a team.
To include the school resource officers, as well as personnel from the Victim Services Division, the Child Protection Family Services agencies, station pastors, and other volunteer pastors will attend the school tomorrow to offer grief counseling.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.